I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited hearts in Duolingo. Now, the only legit way you can do this is, of course, by buying Super Duolingo. There's no way around that. Now, the way you can get Super Duolingo varies. Of course, you can buy it. But if you have Super Duolingo and you haven't taken the trial yet, you can get a free trial, right? So you can have unlimited hearts here. Now, you can see unlimited hearts, no ads, easy consolation. You can try a free trial for $0 here. You can see, try for $0. And then if I try the trial here, let me just tap on this, try. And then you can see unlimited hearts. I can try 1 week for free. Just tap on this. And then you can see you'll get a push notification. Let's just try it for free here. You just have to pick a plan here. I'm just going to tap on start my free 1 week. I'm just going to tap on subscribe. And then you can see it'll say welcome to Super Duolingo like this. After that, just tap on let's go. And then tap on next. Tap on got it. And you can see unlimited hearts here. Tap on got it. And then let's just tap on next. And then you can see on my hearts here, I can have unlimited hearts like this, unlimited hearts. You can see there it is, unlimited hearts. And then that's it. You have unlimited hearts now. You can see if I start a lesson here, if I go to my lesson here, I'm just going to tap on review. You can see if I make mistakes like this, doesn't matter because I have unlimited hearts right there.